out that moon up there, nice and clear. Oh yeah. We're gonna be passing by some awesome rock formations here. In fact, one of them has like a waterfall. So I'm getting behind this tractor trailer here so I can make sure I'm going slow enough to... Oh, well, there's plenty of traffic, so I'm gonna get a decent shot, hopefully, of this waterfall up here. Check out those rock formations up there in the in the clouds, on the mountain here. Aren't those just so beautiful? Gorgeous. We should be passing by the waterfall here in just... Oh, look at that one. Huh. Cute. All right. Yeah, there's a waterfall here, because it did pretty torrentially rain again the other day. Like, I live in Alpine, which is like on this very mountain here. I mean, you see we're already at 1,000 elevation, and there was flooding on the mountain. So yeah, the rainfall it's really nourishing the earth right now. Check out those bad boys. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Yeah, we're getting ready to come up on that waterfall here in just a second. And yes, in case you're wondering, I'm out grub hubbing. Alright, let's see if we can get a view of that waterfall right here. Wow. Check that out. See it? Beautiful, huh? Just beautiful. I think that's El Capitan. Not the, popular one, but the one here in California.